Hello everyone, welcome to your Tahiti Dance Fitness Instructor Training Program. I am so excited to dance together and to coach you to be an outstanding instructor and make a living from your passion. My name is Beatrice. I come from Tahiti, French Polynesia. I am an entrepreneur and founder of Tahiti Dance Fitness, the first Tahitian dance school in Singapore that has spread worldwide and as an online training program.
In your instructor training program, you will find a whole curriculum of dances, training of all basic steps one by one, and most importantly, I will be sharing with you my 16 years of experience as a successful dance entrepreneur, so that you get all the foundations to turn your passion into paycheck, so that you avoid all the big mistakes that will cost you time and money. You know how to build your own dance school, how to be an outstanding instructor and leader that people want to follow, how to organize big and small events for your community. Find all the information in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in class, and never forget, you are amazing.